Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to Nothing CMF Phone 2 Pro. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices to download free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow in the first pop-up. Now choose allow all in the second one and whatever you want to in all those other ones. When you finished, hit send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel and receive right next to send at the bottom of Nothing Phone. Also on Google Pixel, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a few just for example. In some of those categories, like for example contacts, you need to hit allow a few more times to access your files. Then hit send next to selected at the bottom. Got it? And here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, hit input key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and then choose Receive button to connect. To scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. Wherever you decided, just wait. Close and add. And as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!